Miarino ya fara yukite oriri tharikira kuri maafitha a borithi ithiete na mbere na kuongerereka kuria makiria ma maafitha 18 marikitie gukua thutha wa ngari ciao gukinyanga nduthuki na iria irekuo iratafanio ni itoi cia Al-Shabaab.
We have no problem with officers from Wajir, from Mandera. That's understandable. They can take the officers from here, security officers from Garissa, and take them to those other areas because they are not interested party in those other areas. So one, we need that to be done, and two, we need to have as many officers as possible, and there to be a very perfect synergy between the intelligence gathering, the processing of that, and the utilization or in an actionable manner.
Ofara neongereire kuga ati kuhurana na ito ici cia Al-Shabaab noyo njira imwe na ya mwanya ya kurehera a Kenya thayu icigo-ini iria ikoragwo igumirwo ni wagi wa ugitiri niguo gutigirira ati ithurano ni ciatafanio gutari na wagagu kana guoya wa muthemba o wothe.
We need to act on and act fast so that we can secure our sovereignty and we can secure the free will of our people to exercise their democratic rights to do the voting in about 2 months' time.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.